you know what? It's really, really. Yeah, I'll tell you what. If I told you how late it was at night, you wouldn't get your hat off. Well, if you were wearing a hat, because if you weren't wearing a hat, then obviously you wouldn't have to take it off, and it just wouldn't make sense. But so, what is it? I can't tell you what time it is. I'm sorry. If I told you, I'd have to kill you. But I've just heard seagulls outside. And you think I'm joking, but it's true. I've just heard In fact, I was hoping I'd capture it on this microphone, but they've flown off, so it's not going to happen. So on that note, I'm going to end the video. Hope you enjoyed the song. I know it was very cheesy, but also strangely relaxing. Thanks for watching.